Hi guys, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the 6th developer betas of watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and visionOS 26, arriving just a week after the 5th betas. Developers can install the new updates through the Settings app on each device with an active developer account required for access. Like iOS 26 and macOS 26, both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 adopt the liquid glass design language inspired by visionOS. On Apple Watch, watchOS 26 introduces an AI-powered workout buddy for real-time motivation, a smarter smart stack that incorporates more personal context into suggestions, and a brand new Notes app, as well as live translation support for in-person conversations. tvOS 26 focuses on entertainment upgrades, adding karaoke support using an iPhone as a microphone, improved integration for AirPlay speakers, new AL screensavers, and faster app logins during setup through Apple account syncing. And for Apple Vision Pro users, visionOS 26 delivers special widgets that can be positioned anywhere in the environment, enhancements that make personas appear more lifelike, and the ability to share special experiences between two users. While the visionOS 26 beta remains developer only, both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 are available to developers and public beta testers. All three updates are expected to officially debut this fall.